All right, so long time viewers know that Let's Dig 18, aka Chris, did a ton of work out here, and you know, I just can't keep him away. Gotta bring him back. More stuff. Yeah, I keep just coming up with more stuff. So this is a little small project, you know, but he's so busy, he still put me off like 6 weeks. That's okay, it's okay, I get it. But this is what it is. Poof. Had all that delivered. That's 250 feet of 1-inch conduit and 250 feet of 2-inch conduit. So we are going to dig a trench. And when I say we, I mean Chris. So Chris is going to dig a trench coming off of here. And we'll get out here, it's going to branch off. So one is going to go around that way. The other one is going to go around that way to the other side of the pump house. And between the pump house and here, we'll run 1-inch water line, direct burial Cat 6, direct burial coax. So that'll go there, and with that, and then we'll have the 2-inch line to run power out there, and we'll have a 1-inch line for a spare. It'll just be empty for future. So what'll happen is we'll come around here and we'll come up on the side here, put a punch through. That'll come in here. We'll set a panel on the wall, and that'll allow us, you know, to power devices out here. Devices needing power will be the pump. We'll have some lights, a light in here so we can see. There's a UV piece that I use that kills pretty much everything as it flows by it. We may put some exterior lights on it too. I don't know. We'll probably put one above the door or something so we can see to get in here. And then the Cat 6s, we need one. Cat 6 has kind of become the standard. Cat 7, Cat 8, it got all kind of crap. But kind of standard with that is if you run a category cable out somewhere and put that on your network, now any device that can be put on a network you can connect to. So we have, all we need is one wire from the house, come in here, set a network switch, and now I can plug in as many devices as that network switch will hold. So if I wanted to put, you know, if I wanted to put cameras look in different directions, or if there's some piece for the well that they come out with that'll, you know, give us information over the network, anything I want to do, if I want to put an exterior out, you know, an outdoor access points, I have Wi-Fi out here, which I don't think I need out here, but just in case, whatever. Anything you want to do, now you can have that in. So infrastructure wise, you only really need one category wire everywhere. But as they say, one is none, two is one. So I'm gonna run 2, may even run 3, but I run 2 so we've got a spare, and then we'll have our little spare 1-inch conduit too. Then the other side of the trench will continue over here. It'll make a sweeping 90 here and go straight across to that orange dot on the side of the barn. So that'll let us bring water, power, satellite, and anything network wise out to the barn. So those 2 buildings will be our hubs for getting out, especially once landscaping's done, everything. We don't want to keep digging to the house. You know, we'll be able to come off of there in the future and go down the road if we want to go that far with something, or we can, you know, once we have power in the barn, we can go from the barn and go down to the pond, you know, with things we need, whatever. So kind of gives us a couple spaces to run things to. There you go. So that's Chris's next project, and I need to check in with him actually and see how long he's going to be. Let's see. See if I can get him on the phone. See what we get.
Yes, sir.
What's up?
Oh, sitting in the air conditioning, you know how it is.
Man.
Some people got it made.
Some people got it flat out made. I tell you what though, it is finally nice today.
Is it? It seems a little warm when I had to get outside and chainsaw.
Man, it's light years better than last week.
That is correct.
Light years better than last week. So, you know, I'm just out here making my next YouTube video, walking around showing the work you're gonna do, and I'm sure that we've somehow gone from 6 weeks out to coming in a couple days, right?
Oh my gracious. What do you have?
Oh, nothing. Just my conduit.
Oh, okay.
No, I hadn't changed anything else yet. I keep looking to see if I win the lottery.
How's that working?
It's not working. You know, when I plan out, part of my plans are though, like just buy you a brand new machine and like keep you out here for like 6 months. I don't know what everybody else would do, but
oh, okay.
You know,
just here's my grand scheme of things. You just draw it up, just turn me loose, right?
Exactly. Hey, that's what lottery money will let you do.
It will once you get it.
Yeah, but sadly, thus far, that's a big goose egg on the lottery.
Definitely won't be this week. Maybe I can sneak over there next week. Even if like I'm gonna come over there one evening and dig it, then you'll lay it and put everything together the next day. I can cover it back up or something.
All right. Yeah, and like I said, it's not the end of the world.
So, all right. Well, just let me know.
All right, I got you.
10 more.
Thanks,
I'll
man.
see you.
All right, bye.
All right, bye-bye.
All right, so there you go. See? He'll be out here soon. Be some more videos on Billy Good Farms.